What's up everyone, Trader Smokey here with a quick video on Ichimoku and why Kumo breakouts can lead to strong moves. I'm gonna be using the term equilibrium a lot. I'm sure you already heard the term EQ or equilibrium in relation to price action on Twitter. This simply means balance and can also be used in Ichimoku. The Senkou Span B is the average between the highest high and the lowest low of the last 52 periods and is then projected 26 periods into the future. Here you can see the high of these last 52 periods and here's the low. The Senkou Span B right here projected in the future is right at the EQ. The Senkou Span A is the average between the Kijin Sen and the Tenkan Sen projected 26 periods into the future. Obviously the Senkou Span A reacts faster to trend changes than the Senkou Span B, since the Kijin is only calculated on the 26 period basis and the Tenkan Sen on a 9 period basis, whilst the Senkou Span B is calculated on a 52 period basis. What this does is that current trend changes will be reflected by the future cloud, and since markets need time and big trend changes for the most part don't just happen overnight, you'll be able to observe current trend and get an idea of where price could find support or resistance 26 periods into the future. The cloud can stay untested for a long period of time, however, since as long as momentum isn't slowing down, price will continue to move away from the cloud. This also shows us why Kumo breakouts can be such a strong signal. It means that the past trend has lost momentum and price is now trying to trend in the other direction after breaking through the past trend's balance.